So if you're a resident of Dubai, you would have heard of Parkin. Now, Parkin has just informed us that they are bringing in some additional features on their application.
Actually, we have a new contract with Cafu. We provide like if you want to reserve a park or to buy the tickets for parking, these new features will add it when you buy a ticket. I will show you how to buy.
Yes.
So, for example, if we detected that you're in 118 area, you buy the ticket by pressing the park here.
Yeah.
Select your vehicle and duration that is needed. After paying, you can see you can add it for car wash. You can order a small spot in your area.
That's very nice. So Cafu will come to us wherever we park our
Yes.
car.
Within 15 minutes, it will arrive and will start doing their
The services.
services.
Great. And how soon can we expect the system to be implemented?
It's available in our Parkin
Okay.
app, but still we will add more location to be provide the services. Also, we'll be adding the car wash.
Great. All right, ma'am. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing all this in our phones soon. All right. Thank you so much for your time.